Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to deep clean your engine bay and how to install a strut on your hood if it don't already have it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to get in there and get all this clean. You see that there's a lot of dust, a lot of grime, a lot of debris that has accumulated in the engine bay, but I'm going to show you how to take it from this to this. This is the process. I started to dry clean, which just kind of breaks up and agitates all the dust and everything that's been sitting there. I'm going to pressure wash it later on in the video, but you see here it already is making it look 3 times better. So it's just making it a little easier for me whenever I need to pressure wash it. I don't have to spend as much time because a lot of this won't be removed when I pressure wash it. It gets into the detailed areas, all the little small areas that you can't normally reach with either a pressure washer or anything larger. Right here I sprayed it with my test degreaser. I ended up using this brush. As you see, it's already kind of dirty, but came off Amazon with a whole set of different sizes. They went from large all the way to small, but it's definitely getting the job done right here for me. So I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up on the time lapse while I complete the rest of the engine bay, and then I'll get back to you after that. Right after cleaning with the brushes and the dry phase, I'm going to spray it all down with my degreaser so that it can soak and help break up the oils, and then we're going to pressure wash it next. If you don't have degreaser, you can always use soap and water. The stronger the soap, the better, because it is going to be diluted with water. Also, real important, you want to make sure that you dodge all of the belts and your spark plugs, because if you get water on those, it may create an issue for you. And again, you're going to make sure that you avoid those when you're pressure washing as well. After pressure washing, I like to blow dry everything off. You can either use a blower if you have it, an air compressor with a blow nozzle, or you can let it air dry. Me, I'm impatient, so I like to blow it all off, and then I'm going to go ahead and start the next step.
Making love to my master.
Here I'm just polishing down all the aluminum with aluminum polish.
Rub that shit.
I'm over here rubbing my intake and my lady's like, rub that shit, baby. I'm rubbing it all right.
After polishing and doing all that, I realized that I had forgot the hood, so I pressure washed it and then tried to use a brush on it. It only made me realize that I really need to paint it. So it didn't turn out the way I expected, but it is what it is for now. So this is the finished product, and you see how she turned out, really shiny, looking nice and clean. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to install a hood strut as you see here from start to finish. My car, the stick to hold it up actually broke a few years back, so I've been using this pole, and the pole isn't efficient for me, so I'm going to go ahead and install a strut. I've made my measurements. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drill my holes, and we're going to go ahead and decided to put it on the firewall next to an already existing hole. Here I broke out the riv nut gun, installed 2 riv nuts as there's 2 holes in the bracket. The riv nut gun just made everything so much more convenient and easier for me.
So much for watching my video today. I hope that if this information was useful for you, smash that like button. Send me a comment on what you want me to make next. Not only that, but subscribe so that you can get more information just like this coming to you soon. Thank you.